Okay, blessed viewers, I want to show you how one can change a battery for this machine, the computer battery for this machine, or some other people usually call it PTF. Um, this computer, this is the computer for this type of edge banding machine. And so it contains a small battery inside, and that battery is the one that helps or support the computer in keeping the data intact. Or if the battery is not working well, then the computer is able to lose its data, even including the software. Okay, now I'm going to open this part here and then show you how to access the battery. First of all, let me show you how the battery is behaving. I'm going to switch on the machine and we are going to focus here. I'm going to switch on the machine there and you are going to focus here so that you can see how the battery or the machine is behaving to indicate or show that the battery is low. Here. There we go. Now, precious viewers and precious learners, I know it's going to help you a lot. Come closer. I'm going to switch on the machine. This is the lamp, and then this is the heater for the machine, and this is power on. Now, when I put switch on power on, come closer, please. Look how the battery is going to indicate. The battery is saying that please replace a new battery. You see, it means that the battery is completely down and there is no way you can recharge. So it says, please replace the new battery. And therefore, we are going to replace a new battery now. Okay, when you want to work on all types of electrical machine, you must, it's a must, you must switch off the machine. I'm switching off and then I'm going to switch it off to the mains here. Now we are set. I'm going to do it fast, very fast. I have my tester here. The tester is with me here. And I know that this one is going to help you a lot because most of the people, most of the engineers are qualified, yes, but sometimes they face challenges, i.e., changing just simple things like battery, the computer battery for the PTF screen or computer screen, machine screen, just like that. It's just a small battery. But sometimes you may wonder if the machine has electric power or uses electric power, electric energy, AC or power means. Why should it have a battery? And stated it clearly that the battery helps in retaining the data, or what can we say? Yeah, the data, the machine data. Without it, it loses everything. So you need to buy a new software. So instead of reaching a state whereby you have to replace or buy a new software, you just change the battery. I come closer. This is the computer. This is the VGA cable. Removing the VGA cable. Remember, it is screwed inside. It is screwed inside. I'm going to take a few, the lowest or shortest time possible. Can focus here. I'm going to take the shortest time possible. Okay, there we go. I'm removing the VGA cable. Communication cable. Other people call it communication cable. If you call it communication cable or VGA cable, it's okay. When you are disconnecting this power, it's this is 24 volt DC. So when you are disconnecting, you must understand this is neutral, this is positive, and this is negative. So you must be very careful. especially when you are dealing with the DC current, right? You must be very careful, because if you connect the opposite, you might end up burning the whole thing, the computer. And you understand, the computer is the one that determines whether you are going to operate the machine or not. Everything is embedded in it. Okay, there you go. Don't worry, you're opening. For those ones who can subscribe to my YouTube channel is Frederick Kevogo. Or those ones who are already right now watching, just subscribe to the YouTube channel Frederick Kevogo, and I will appreciate. You see, you remove these ones, the mounting. These are the mounting. You see, you remove the mounting. I'm showing you on how to change the computer, the machine computer battery. There we go. Do we have engineers in the house? If you have a question and you are an engineer, don't hesitate to email me through my email address, kevogofrederick@gmail.com. Precious people, look, I have removed it here. I have removed it here. Look, the controller, I've removed the control from this place, and this is the computer. Look at the way it is. You know, the battery is inside. So we go on very fast as possible. Tanzania tunaenda haraka haraka, tunatoa hii kitu haraka haraka, tubadilishe hiyo mawe, inaitwa mawe, wengine wanaita mawe, wengine wanaita battery. Kidogo tu. There we go. It's deep inside, but it's fine. Can I use this one? Okay, yeah, this one is better and good. Look. Look, we are changing the battery, and I've told you that I'm going to take the shortest time possible. Okay, meanguka hapo, ingine ndio hii hapa, tuweke hapa, and then I've removed this nuts and bolts or screws. Now I'm removing this one. I'm disengaging this one here, so that I can remove it. You just go step by step. Look, I've removed the plug. Now from there, it's simple. You just remove this thing from here like this, and then like this, and then you see it has already come out. Now, watch here. This is where the battery is located. It's hidden here. This is the battery, look. And the connection is here. Mnaona sasa, you see? This is where the battery is. This is the battery and it's here. So we are removing this one and then change it. Then return it to the machine. Sawa? Look at it. Yeah, I'm removing it. This is the battery. Blue letter insulation tape, karibu. So the battery is here. Okay. I've told you that there is no way you can pay me for training you, but you can only subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Share it with other people, just like that. You remove these terminals like this, you know. It's soldered, right? This is the negative side, and this is the positive side, right? This is the battery. Okay, this is the battery inside. So we are removing it here. I've removed it. This is the worn out battery, and the number of battery you must replace by the exact battery. Look at it. It's 3 volt, and that is the cord. And this is for the edge banding machine. And so This is the battery that I'm going to change. Look, this is a new battery and this is an old one. So you remove it careful like this. Just remove it like this. This is a new battery now. And then we give it its cover like this. And then after that, this is the positive. Positive is already marked. This is plus PK cell CR2032 3 volts lithium. This is the negative side and this is the positive side. You, you put it properly like this. We are moving faster so that let's do it as simple as this, as the way it is. It's just a simple thing. We don't have a new cover right now, but that doesn't matter. The machine will work. Make sure that the terminals are well placed. Okay. Make sure that the positive terminal, this one, is on this side, on the positive side, and negative is on the negative side. Then recap it back. But because we don't have a new insulation cape, we are going just to use the, I know it looks like I'm using the simple insulation tape, but it's okay. What we are just after is insulating so that there is no short. No short is recorded. We are going fast as possible. And if you are located in East Africa, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, Rwanda, where? Zanzibar, I'm available for you. Just get in touch with me. And as I told you that I deal with edge banding machine, spring mattress forming machine, spring coiling machine. There we go. There we go. There we go. You reinsert it back here. It's very tight this time round because we have added on more clothing. We have reclothed it back, and make sure when you are returning the terminals back, you clip it in properly. This is the motherboard of the machine. Other people call it a card, machine card. So this is the battery where the battery is plugged. This is the battery here. So now I'm through with changing. And so we can put our cover back. We are doing it as fast as possible. This side, like this. It's fitting properly. Inaingia tu sawa sawa tu. It's fine. Look, just like this. And then don't forget to fasten these screws here and these screws here back to its position for the safety of the computer. It's a small computer, but very useful. Small, but very useful indeed. This time round, my screws are not picking up. So when I'm going publicly, then my screwdrivers are not working or functioning well. But when I'm just working privately, then everything is working. But that's normal. Look at it. Remember to return back this time, and you see it's marked. You just return it in this direction. Then you screw it back. We are almost there. We are almost there. Cover it properly. We are almost there. Now, when you are through with this, and remember the computer position is, it should be in the upright position like this. I'm fitting it back. I'm fitting the computer back. I'm fitting the computer back. For the safety, you put back the clips. Eh? We are calling it computer. So when you are working with it, you must be very careful. We were changing the computer battery for the machine. And this type of the machine is called edge banding machine. It's used to fit the leaping on the panel board. For those ones who are used to interior designs, kitchen, cabinetry work, this machine is the best machine ever to have. My name's Engineer Frederick Kevogo. I'm located in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm a plant engineer specialized in mechanical, electrical, pneumatics, electronics, hydraulics, all. Look, now I'm fitting back the VGA cable. Don't say that you did not see. I want you to see. I want you to learn. I want you to see so that you can learn. And you see, I'm doing it fast. I'm doing it fast. You can. Yes. I want. Okay. I'm fitting the VGA cable or the communication cable, and I'm doing it as fast as possible. Now, the next stage, I'm now connecting back the voltage cable. The voltage cable. I told you that I'm going to connect it to work on it as fast as possible. And then immediately after this, we are testing our machine. We are not going to test tomorrow. We are going to test it. We are going to test our machine today, straight away today. Make sure the negative terminal is well inserted or fully inserted to avoid unnecessary shorts. Okay? When you're working on a certain machine, any type of machine, just work smart. Smart people, smart engineers work smarter. Okay. Now, after this, we are going to switch on the machine, and you will realize that that message of troubleshooting will not be indicated anywhere or highlighted anywhere. Working well. Now, I'm through, but now we must test before we, okay. I'm sure it's okay, so there is no worries. Yeah, that was sawa. Now, switch for me the power on. It's going to switch for me the mains power on, because I'm through. This is what I was changing. It's computer battery. Listen. So when you're working on it, okay, let's focus on our machine. I've not yet tightened it properly, but we are testing. This is on. So you see, the machine comes automatically. There is nowhere it is indicating anything about battery low. You see, Then after that, you just go back to you just go on the machine menu like this, and then control interface. Here, it has come. You see, there is no way the machine is showing anything about battery low. Look, I've switched off the machine. I've switched off now the machine. Now look, there is no way the machine is going to indicate battery low because we have replaced the exact battery for the machine. Look at it. I've switched off the machine. There is no way to show that battery low. It comes directly on. You see, back to the machine page. And in fact, the timing, the clock has been restored. It's 16:18, that is 4:18 p.m. East African time on 24th of March 2023. Even the timing has been restored. Now, blessed viewers, this is edge binding machine, and I was showing you viewers on how to change the battery if the machine has a problem with the battery. Remember, if your battery is damaged or low, it can cause the machine to lose the data and the memory completely. And losing the data and the memory completely, it means you are going back to step 0 or step 1 to buy a new software for the machine. Now for those ones who would like, who loves me, who loves my job, my training, my teaching, can subscribe to the YouTube channel Frederick Kevogo. That's my YouTube channel, Frederick Kevogo. And then, for those ones who are looking for my services, engineering services, remember, I deal with Bonnell-Coiler mattress making machines, conveyor mattress forming machine. I deal with tape edging machine for mattresses. I deal with the edge binding machine. I also deal with Japan quilting machine, deep quilting machine, all types of sewing machines. I deal with CNC wood routers or CNC machine. I deal with the compressors, both piston type of compressor and screw type of compressor. I deal with the generators, I service the generators. I deal with the panel cutting machines like these ones, all types, name them, all types of plant engineering or plant machineries. I deal with them, all types of industrial machineries, whether confectionery machineries, whether mattress making machineries, whether wood products and everything. So if you need my services and you are located in Africa generally, don't hesitate to contact me through my email address, kevogofrederick@gmail.com. My email address is kevogofrederick@gmail.com, and my phone number, my contact is 0728448062. I'm located in Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome.